Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix desktop icons disappeared after update in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows and R key together to open the small window called Run. Here, please tap for Regedit and click on OK to continue. You'd be able to see a notification with your user account control will asking you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to give permission on running the registry editor. Okay. So here you need to proceed with hkey underscore current underscore user and click this forward arrow to see all of such and proceed with your control panel. Click this forward arrow once again, and this time you need to go with your desktop. Click this forward arrow again and look for Windows metrics. Once you have selected such, you need to proceed to the center of the screen and look for a value, two values which are icon spacing and icon vertical spacing. Now here you need to double tap and change the value data into negative 1128. In my case, it is already being set. Just have to set it in yours, okay? Negative 1128, click on OK. And proceed with icon vertical spacing, double tap and change the value data into negative 1128 as well. Once done, close all of these paths that we have just opened. Close the registry editor window as well. And then restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer in order to apply on the changes or the actions that we have just performed earlier. Okay, so just have to restart it. And once you have restarted it, navigate to your desktop screen, do a right click, go with view, and go with show desktop icons. Tap on it, and there you go. You'll be able to see the desktop icons in your Windows or computer. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.